The process begins by accurately weighing every cosmetic-grade ingredient. Precision at this stage ensures consistent quality, durability, and a smooth finish in every bottle of nail polish.
The ingredients are added one by one into a large mixing tank, where powerful mixers create a smooth, crystal-clear nail polish base. Next, cosmetic pigments are finely ground. They become a smooth color paste. This ensures rich color without visible particles. The color concentrate is blended with the clear base until every drop has the same vibrant shade and glossy appearance. The polish is filtered to remove tiny particles, producing a smooth, professional quality finish. Quality control experts test every batch to ensure the correct color, texture, shine, and drying performance. Automated filling machines accurately fill each bottle with the perfect amount of nail polish. The brush is inserted automatically, and every cap is securely tightened to prevent leaks.
After a final quality inspection, each bottle is packed into its retail carton. The cartons are sealed, packed into shipping boxes, stacked onto pallets, wrapped for protection,